Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickNode for fast RPC connections step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the QuickNode website URL in the address bar. Press enter to load the QuickNode homepage. Once the page has fully loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Proceed to enter your password in the password field. If you wish to remain logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your QuickNode dashboard. Review the dashboard to confirm you are logged in successfully. To set up RPC connections, navigate to the Projects tab in the menu. Click on Create New Project to initiate a connection. Select the desired blockchain network from the options available. Configure your project settings according to your requirements. After configuring, click on the Create Project button to finalize. You will see your newly created project listed on the dashboard. To access the RPC URL, select the project you just created. On the project page, locate the Endpoints section. Copy the RPC endpoint link displayed there. You are now ready to use your QuickNode RPC connection for your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.